Hi, I'm Matt Muenster, Home Improvement TV host, and for years I've helped homeowners transform their homes. But now it's time to focus on mine. I live in this mid-century modern house and I love it. However, the windows are in desperate need of an upgrade. So I just ordered new replacement windows from Renewal by Andersen, which means the next step is meeting an install project manager, Cameron Clark. So you might be asking yourself, what is an install project manager? Think of it as a construction concierge, here to make everything go smoothly. So he's doing more than just measuring twice. He's looking at structure. He's foreseeing any details that might come up, really just looking at the big picture so that all the wrinkles are smoothed out that might arise in really any construction project. So Cameron, you're here to put me at ease.
Yes, I am.
I'm feeling it already. What's your job today?
Well, I'm here to get some technical measurements.
Okay.
I'm here to take a look at what you have here in this beautiful, unique, modern home. And
Unique for sure, yeah.
Yeah, unique, definitely.
The windows are huge. All the natural light, the transparency between indoor and outdoor, I love it. However, they're 60 years old. Seals are broken. And it's not only visually bad, it gets cold in here in a Minnesota winter. So,
Well, we're gonna update you, definitely. And we can do that for you with custom-sized windows.
Right.
Every single one of them, if they're all different, we'll build them exactly what they need to be to fit what is there.
So it's going to look like it's always been there.
Correct.
But putting the modern in the mid-century modern
Yes.
part. So once it's all done, all your dimensions are in here. They go off the factory. They get built.
Correct.
When install day comes,
Yes.
what should I expect?
The crew's gonna come in with this folder. It's gonna have a roadmap of exactly what they need to do.
Okay.
Gonna pull out the old windows, put in some nice new modern windows for you. Nice big custom sized windows.
Yes.
They're gonna clean up and get out of here. And then you can enjoy your new home.
Sounds awesome. Can't wait. So now that this project's been spec'd and I know what to expect on install day, it's time for these windows to get custom made. And I can't wait, especially that giant foggy one. I get to go to the factory now and I get to see my windows get built. Follow me.